Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
While many elderly people own pets for companionship in their last years, one problem that can arise is what happens to these animals when the owners are too unwell to take care of themselves. For Sinbad the Persian cat, this became a massive issue when his elderly owner in Chicago became unfit to taking care of his furry friend. The cat ended up living in a basement by himself, his fur matted and his overall health unwell. It was not until a utility worker came by to work on the house Sinbad was in that he was discovered in the basement. The man immediately called the Anti-Cruelty Society, ACS, to help this poor animal. The ACS looked at Sinbad and knew immediately that the first step was cutting off the massive matted hair that had been growing all over the Persian cat. The before and after with that alone is absolutely amazing, and the fur alone weighed a whopping 5 pounds. Unfortunately, they realized that there were other problems underneath the matted fur, including a malnutrition and injured leg. To fix his malnutrition, the cat was force-fed until his digestive system was kicked back into gear, and in no time, he was back in tip-top shape. Elliot Serrano, a staff member at Chicago's ACS, fell in love with Sinbad and decided to become a foster parent for the newly shaven cat. From there, the two absolutely fell for each other even more, and Elliot explains that one particular moment, when Sinbad purred and crawled onto his chest as the moment he knew the two are now thriving together. Elliot concludes he has recovered very well and for a cat of 9 years, after going through what he has, is very friendly and frisky. With all these adorable photos of the two, we know they are a true match made in heaven, and we can't wait to see them spend the rest of their lives together.